guys, welcome back. And now I'm already here in my own red house. It's location not far from my trailer house. Let's see how it looks like. It has 3 floors, and I want to live with my brother. Let's go to upstairs. There's the highway help road there, and this is the look. Jakarta, it's very crowded, right? There's no space for plane, or if you want to plan a tree, it's hard here. So you must have a place. And I'm moving right now, guys. Moving. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back again. And in the way to go my grandma's house again, because we must put the key into my aunt's house, because if my aunt want to change the rent house, so they need she need the key, right? So we must go to the aunt house, but our motorcycle fuel run out, so we stop by here in Pertamina gasoline well here. And look, it's in Jakarta, guys. So I don't have much to say again. I'm waiting my brother to finish the gasoline fuel, and see you guys. Bye. And after that, I came to my grandma's house again. Yeah. So, okay, this is my grandma's house in Jakarta. Okay, guys, so that's all about the vlog today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.